everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I will be
Black and blue, I crawl along the wreckage of what now is gone. Back to you to fight another day. I'll go on and on and on and on. I'll face it, the demons I created with every last part of me. The pain will fade and I'll go on and on and on.
so, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing some Monster Truck Destruction, and this is what I look like. Yeah, I look way different without my glasses. But yeah, do be sure, if you want to support my channel, be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on all the notifications so you never miss another video. So, we'll be playing, I'd say, probably 5 rounds. And yeah, I just thought this was something different, so let's do it. They're doing some freestyle. With Monster Patrol, which is one of my favorite trucks on here. Gonna yeet myself on the O-Town Road. Going to yeet till I can't no more. So tell me in the comment section down below, if you think, what score you would give this run, 1 through 10. Yeah, wee. Yep, I destroyed the bus. Oh gosh, and I still pulled it off. Okay, we're about to. Okay, I was gonna say we're about to hit another one, but whatever. No. Dun 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 dun. Well, that was not my best. So yeah, we'll do 4 more. Yeah, 4. And yeah, I just wanted to do this because it was something different. So here we go, back into freestyle. Okay, this time I'll go straight for the backflip. That was not a backflip, but whatever. Let's go with it. Well, that was a backflip. Some kind of flip. Here we go, here we go. Turning it around to the O-Town Road. Turning it up. Oh! Yeet. Let's go. Yeah! Woof. Here we go. That's not what I wanted to do. Whee! Hop, skip, and a jump. How about, whatever that was. Let's go with it. 3 more. Let me just show you one of my favorite ones I have. Dun, dun, dun. The biggest thing in the world. I mean, look at those tires, man. Let's do this one, why not? So yeah, 2 more after this one. I know this is gonna be like a short video, but I just wanted to do something different, and, well, this is kind of my face reveal, so yeah. I will be doing more, like, other stuff. I've been wanting to, like, do something outside, but I just haven't had the time to do it. You know, I might do something this weekend. Or I might just go over to my friend's house. Just jumping random things. Yeet! Yeet! I love this thing. Yeah! This thing can hit double backflips. On my next one, I'll get it a track that has an actual backflip ramp. And I'll also show you this thing's front flip. Oof. And right back up he goes with them giant tires. I lost! Oh man. Well, here we go for the last 2. Here we go, the original map. Well, the original track, whatever. Double backflip. Commence! Let's go! Yum, 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 yum. More speed? More speed. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Yay! I've actually glitched this game before. I just jumped into the crowd, and then it just glitched me, so I stuck there. And it's doing infinite. It just kept on going on wheelie jump. I got 1,000,000 points. Rice, Rispy, Ree! Ice Rispy, Ice Rispy. Who wants an Ice Rispy? Ree! Who wants an Ice Crispy? Ice Crispy? I will destroy everything. Ha, I win. Yep, let's give this small on this last attempt. Here we go. And you know, that reminds me, big shout out to Bayflay Bro. So yeah, go subscribe to his channel, everyone. We're really good friends. Please make sure to go subscribe to his channel.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's my best.
Well, I just did that so this wouldn't take so long. Yay! Well, everyone, that's the video. See you some other time. Bye!